Alright, come with me to spend a day in Edinburgh. It's a little bit rainy, but we're geared up for it. I got my rain gear. I'm nice and warm. Yeah, let's go. I'm just waiting here at the platform. It's my first time doing this. I always fly there, so I decided to take the train just for the day and have a sandwich. Just arrived in Edinburgh. Freezing. I just did a portrait shoot with a stranger, and he was a cool guy. He was smoking a cigarette, and it was just the perfect lighting and his emotions. You gotta check this out. I got it on tape. It was so cool. Like, this is me living my dream. I just want to be in a different city and create it. You know what I mean? How beautiful is that? Wow. I don't know, perfect background. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. That place right there, that's my little secret. I come here once a year to have a hot sandwich. Let's check it out. Perkali-kali. So good. It's freezing.
Nowadays, it's more of a dyeing process, sadly. Most people make fudge by machine and they don't temper it, so you get a much more textured result, more like a sugar cube than a ganache. Whereas ours is the smooth, creamy stuff.
Yeah, so I got myself free fudge off the table.